Loop through all nested dictionary values. I'm trying to loop through a dictionary and print out all key value pairs where the value is not a nested dictionary. If the value is a dictionary, I want to go into it and print out its key value pairs, etc. Any help? Edit. How about this? It still only prints one thing. Full test case. Dictionary. Result.
As said by Nicholas, you need recursion. You want to define a function to print your dict, and if the value is a dict, you want to call your print function using this new dict. Something like
Since a dict is iterable, you can apply the classic nested container iterable formula to this problem with only a couple of minor changes. Here's a Python 2 version, see below for 3. Test. In Python 2, it might be possible to create a custom mapping that qualifies as a mapping, but doesn't contain iteritems, in which case this will fail. The docs don't indicate that iteritems is required for a mapping. On the other hand, the source gives mapping types an iteritems method, so for custom mappings, inherit from collections.mapping explicitly just in case. In Python 3, there are a number of improvements to be made. As of Python 3.3, abstract base classes live in collections.abc. They remain in collections 2 for backwards compatibility, but it's nicer having our abstract base classes together in one namespace. So this imports ABC from collections. Python 3.3 also adds yield from, which is designed for just these sorts of situations. This is not empty syntactic sugar. It may lead to faster code and more sensible interactions with coroutines.
Alternative iterative solution.
Slightly different version I wrote that keeps track of the keys along the way to get there. On your data, it'll print. It's also easy to modify it to track the prefix as a tuple of keys rather than a string if you need it that way.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.